Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Game of Memes token. Ticker symbol is GOME. Now this token just got listed today, brand new listing, April 29th on a very big central exchange. This is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. A lot of these Sol meme coins are super popular these days, and this is another one. A lot of holders already, thousands of holders. We're going to go over the information on the Game of Memes token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a Solana meme coin. So you can find this token listed on Bird Eye, Dex Screener, Dex Tools if you want to see the chart. It's also listed on SolScan, CoinGecko. So according to their SolScan here, it says they have 6,478 holders so far. 6 decimal places on this token. Ticker symbol is GOME. Name of the token is Game of Memes. Price is about 0.0074 USD. Their market cap is a little bit over $4.8 million, and current token supply 651,489,250 tokens. Now, it was just announced that this token will be listed today, April 29th at 11 o'clock UTC time, which is pretty much now. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search GOME, and then simply just buy the token. So the token started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and it is a deflationary token. They have a Telegram you could follow at GOME on Sol. 2,140 subscribers on there. You can preview the channel. That's a great place to see updates regarding this project if you want to learn more. And they also have a Twitter, which is, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there as usual, at GOME on Sol _ blue verified checkmark, 157 tweets. Just joined in April 2024. That's how brand new this project is. 5,156 followers so far. In their pinned tweet, they're doing a meme contest if you want to get involved with that. And has a link to their webpage and their Telegram right on that Twitter right there. GOME.lol is the webpage. If you go over to their webpage, there is a button to play the game. You could try it out. It says game requires a keyboard, mouse, WASD to move, and click to shoot. So pretty straightforward. You know, the 4 little fingers there, and then the shooting with the mouse. It's kind of like almost any keyboard mouse first-person shooter game. And they have lots of memes on their webpage, of course. It says this is an indie game that's in development. Lots of Pepe-like memes. And then on their webpage, they also have the contract address, a link to their Twitter, Telegram, DEX Tools chart, and DEX Screener chart. Now, a lot of information is going to be on that DEX Screener chart. So, if you go over to DEX Screener, right now they are trending number 22. They were just trending number 23, so maybe they're going to be moving up in the ranks here. Trending number 2 right now is the Cool Man token, ticker symbol COOL. Their pool was just created 9 hours ago. Check out that video. I just uploaded a video on the Cool Man token. That is another brand new meme coin that just got a big central exchange listing as well, and that's on the Solana blockchain. So that one's trending number 2 right now, but trending number 22 is the Game of Memes, and you can find their website, Twitter, and Telegram on DEX Screener. Price chart, it says their market cap is $4.2 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have $386,000 in liquidity on Raydium, and 99.85% of that liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see there. Now, this token was actually just created, the pair on Raydium was just created 2 days, 7 hours ago. So this is a very, very brand new project. Memes with guns is the tagline for this project. They have a 24-hour trading volume right now of $10 million. It's a very popular project today. You can find them on CoinGecko, like I said, if you want to see the chart too. On DEX Tools, there's a quick audit. We're going to have a look at that in a second here. So they have 1.42 thousand pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 29.33 million pooled GOME tokens. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99, so that's great to see. And they have here a community trust score of 97.3% out of 37 votes. Now on DEX Tools, you can find a quick audit from Quick Intel Security, and there's no warnings on it whatsoever. It's just all good check marks. It says contract is verified, no honeypot. It also says no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So all sorts of good check marks there. Keep in mind that is just a quick audit. It is not a full audit, and you should always look for full audits and all that type of stuff. So just keep that in mind there. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where this token just got listed. Thank you to everybody who's been joining as a member, hitting that join button. If you want to help support the channel, you can hit that join button. I just also uploaded my first members only video. It's a long video talking about how to find new tokens before they get listed on big exchanges. So, if you're a member, check that out. And if you want to help support the channel, hit the join button. And stay tuned for some more big Mexc meme coins and other exchange coins in videos today and tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.